Hi children, today we are taking two letters, that is C and E. The sounds of these letters, K, A. Okay, but in the word when these two sounds come, all you hear is the sound of K only. C. Although we have letters C and E, you hear that. So we are going to look at the word. We are going to say the word aloud and listen. Though you have two sounds, you hear only the sound of C all the time. So I want you to listen to that. Listen to yourself as you say the word. Shall we look at our first word? Yes? We are going to see C-E says C. The first word is, what's the first letter here? Letter F. Face. What do you hear? Face. The curl is sounding strongly. Face. What is face? Face clock, your face, anything. Face. When you draw something, first you draw the face, then the body. Face. Face. Good. Shall we look at our next word with the sound K? Lace. What is lace? On your dress, grandma put lace. Yes, at the edge of the dress. Then say, look at my lacy dress. Or on the dining table cloth, mommy attaches a pair lace all around. Or on your napkin, grandma stitches lacy piece around to look beautiful. Lace. Lace is always placed to make the dress or the piece of cloth delicate. Lace. Good. Let's look at our next word. What word is this? What letter is this? P. Pace. Pace. When you're walking one behind the other, you must keep pace. What does the teacher say? The PT mistress says, keep pace with others. Don't leave a big gap in front. When you're marching, you must march, keep pace between each other. Not too big a gap, not too small a gap. Pace. Keeping pace with others. Okay? Let's look at our next word with the letters C-E in it, but you hear the sound of C only. What is this letter? R. Race. When do you have a race? In the sports day, they will have a running race, skipping race and whatnot. And in the race, you want to win. Yes? You want to win in a race and get the cup. Good. Let's look at our next word. What word is this? What letter is this? D. Dice. We use the dice for to play Ludo game. Snake and ladder, anything. You play. To play the game, you need one or two dice. One single one or many dice, because you have to count and go forward, backward. Yes? Good. Dice. What is dice? A square little thing with the dots on all sides. Yes? And you count, you go forward or backward. Good. Let's look at our next word. What word is this? What letter is this? Letter M. Mice. One mouse, many mice. What do the mice do? They come running into the house. If mommy leaves food at night, they play havoc in the kitchen. They run on the loft. Yes? And they nibble away everything. Mice, they're very naughty. What are they scared of? Pussycat. Good. Mice. Let's look at another word. What do we have here? N. Letter N. Nice. What does mommy do? She cooks nice dishes. Dishes. What does she do today? She gets you a lovely dress and everybody says, nice, look at that dress. Looks so nice on her. Yes? Good. Let's look at our last word with the letter C-E in it. What's the last word? What is this letter? R. Rice. You like to eat rice? What kind of rice? Lemon rice, tomato rice, different type of rice that mommy makes for you. You love to eat for lunch. Good. Let's read all our words here. Listen to the sound. We have sound C and E, but all you hear is C. What's the sound of C? K. Let's read aloud. Face, lace, pace, race, dice, mice, nice, rise. Now I'll give you a picture and you must guess a word with C-E in the word. In the word there should be C-E letters. Now look at the first picture. Alright? What picture is this? A little child. Yes? Little child. And you must C-E in the word. Yes? Now what is the baby doing? Smiling. How does he look? His face looks bright. So what is that word? Face coat. What word is this? For face. We are doing two sounds, but it's the first sound that's very clear. Face. Look at the baby's face. Smiling face. Right? Smiling face for the tiny baby. Good. Shall we go to another picture? Look at the picture. Guess the word with C-E. You'll have to eat this. What does mommy make for you? Yes, she makes tomato rice, lime rice, tamarind rice and whatnot. Rice. This is rice. What do you eat for lunch? Mama, I love curd rice, Mama. Mama, make the peas rice, Mama. And Mommy says, sure, I'll make this rice for you. What do you like? Rice. What is this? Rice. There are different type of rice. Mommy gives you for lunch. Rice. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? You get the word with C-E in it. What is this? Good. Dice. It's got numbers of dots on top. 5 dots and 3 dots, all that. What is this? Dice. What do you do with the dice? You roll it when you play a game. Snake and ladder, do any game you play, you roll it. And then whatever comes on the top, you count up. Dice. Look at the white dots and you go forward. Dice. You throw the dice and then you get correct number, you win. Good. Dice. Shall we look at a new picture? And you guess the word with C-E in it. What is this? These are pieces. Yes? Pieces of what? Cheese. Bits of different taste of cheese you have to eat with bread. Yes? Pieces of cheese for you to eat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, lovely, delicious piece of cheese. Peas. Which piece would you choose? I think I would choose this piece. Which one would you choose? This piece of cheese. Good. Let's look at a new picture and please find a word with C-E in it. What is this? What are they doing? They're dancing. Yes, they are dancing to a beautiful tune. Yes, look at the dress they have on. They dance to the beautiful music, probably a tribal dance. Dance. What are these girls or boys doing? They're dancing. They dance. You like to dance? Good. Shall we take a new picture? And you find a word with C-E in it. What is this? In the garden you will find. At home in front of the house you find. Fence. You put the fence right around to keep off animals, dogs, or anything that comes in. Any stray animal that comes in should not enter your house or garden and spoil it. This is a fence. Good. Fence. Now, sometimes you find birds sitting on the fence, crows. And what do they say? Caw, give me some food. Fence. This is a fence at the end of your border of your house. Good. Shall we look at another picture? And you guess the word for me? With CE in it. The word should have CE in it. Now, this little boy says, this is my little cousin. What do you call that? Yes, niece. This is my niece. A pretty little niece. Who is this? My niece. Who is so pretty. Lovely hair with a ponytail on. Niece. And he is taking his niece down for a walk. Good. Let's look at a new picture. Guess the word with CE in it. What is this? Mummy uses this for your biryani. Mummy uses this in the kitchen often. What is that? Spice. Very good. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds, 4 types of spice. Spice. You can taste and see. They'll be hot. Yummy, tasty. Okay, this is pepper. Good. Spice. Ask Mummy to show you all the spices in Mummy's kitchen. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? And find a word CE. Okay? Let's take a new picture. And we'll find a word with CE in it. What is this? Bread. Yes, this is bread. What can you do with bread? You can take a knife and slice it. See, 2 neat slices are being made. Slice. Would you like a slice of bread? Put some jam and butter and eat it? Yes, slice. We can cut the bread into several slices. But you should have a sharp knife. Correct. You must cut it to the same size of slices. Slice. What does Mummy say? Get the bread out. Cut into slice. Serve it to all. Yes? Slice. And what do you say? Please give me a slice of bread. Yes? That's what you ask at table. Slice. Good. Now, shall we take a new picture? Find a word with CE in it. What is this? It's a birthday cake. All the candles are lit ready. Whose birthday? It's Grandma's birthday. That's why so many candles. And what does everyone say? Nice. Lovely. The cake looks nice. Yes, and all the children are running about and say, nice. The cake with all the candles look nice. Nice. Good. Shall we go to a new picture? And find the word with CE in it. What is it? Very good. Juice, your favorite drink. Juice. Like to have a glass of juice? Lemon juice or watermelon juice. Choose. What is this? Juice. Juice. Good. Shall we take a new picture? Good. Look at the picture. Now, CE in it. You find this picture in your book. What will you say? In the night you look up. What is that? Space. Yes. You are looking at the space. You can see the stars and the moon. Space. What is in the space? Moon is there. All the planets are there, but you cannot see. But you can see few stars at night. Space. You go up on the terrace, lie up into the space, and you see how beautiful it is. Clouds moving in the space. Stars twinkling far away. Good.